4 ways how to make money discreetly online. The first option that I would recommend you give a try is YouTube. As with YouTube, you'll be able to start a faceless YouTube channel, meaning you don't have to show your face. And if you don't feel comfortable using your own voice, you can also hire someone to do the voiceover. And as you can see right here, this is a channel that talks about celebrity gossip. And as you can see right here on the video that I'm hovering over, all they do is simply take photos from off google.com and they just read over news or so on the most popular celebrities. You can do this in any niche, whether you want to do it on your favorite sports team, or if you would like to create an educational YouTube channel, a how-to channel, you can do that. The second option that I would recommend you give a try is freelancing, and you can start with Fiverr. With Fiverr, you'll be able to do freelancing and help persons from all over the world, and you don't have to show your face. And some of the jobs on Fiverr, you don't have to use your voice either to interact with customers. As you can see right here, you could even start off by selling workout plans. As you can see, these persons are selling workout plans from anywhere from $5 to $20 to $60. They are not showing their face and they are not using their voice to interact with the customers, but they are making money daily. The third option that you can give a try when it comes to making money discreetly is by doing surveys. While when it comes to surveys, you do not make a lot of money, but depending on the country you are in and the offers that you get or the survey website that you decide to sign up to, you can make a reasonable amount on the side. And the fourth and final option that I would recommend anyone give a try is affiliate marketing. And when starting affiliate marketing, Amazon would definitely be a good platform to start on, as not only is Amazon one of the most popular e-commerce website, but it is also a very trusted brand. So when you start promoting a product from Amazon, persons are highly likely to click on it and follow through with a purchase. And you can promote your products, whether it be on YouTube by doing the best projectors, for example, under $100, or you can research and do it also on TikTok, as I see a lot of persons currently doing Amazon product reviews on TikTok and they are not showing their face. A lot of the time, all they do is simply take the videos from Amazon and then do a voiceover on it. There are numerous options how you can make money discreetly, but these are 4 of the best options that I recommend that you look into, and if anything, give one of them a try. If you would like more detail on any one of these examples, let me know in the description below, and thank you for watching, and be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe as I release daily how-to videos.